AirPlay is built into Philips TVs from 2019 on. You can mirror your iPhone or Mac in under 2 minutes. First, enable it. Go to Settings, Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, and toggle AirPlay on. From an iPhone, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, pick your TV, and enter the 4-digit code. From a Mac on Monterey or later, the same menu mirrors your screen or extends it as a second monitor. TV made before 2019? A USB-C or Lightning to HDMI adapter works with 0 latency. Mirror anything wirelessly. Full guide on smarttvs.org.